everybody. Today we have a big story for you all. Today we have a brief weather report. The staff of the weather report has reported that there's going to be a huge thunderstorm lasting the entire duration of today. So if you and any other of your families thought it would be cool to go fishing or play some football and other outdoor activities, well, don't even think about it. There is no such thing to do today as there's a rainstorm. I think I mentioned that before, haven't I? Yes, I have. Mario, wake up! Mario, wake up! What is it, Luigi? Light. Mario, didn't you hear that awful thunderstorm outside? Yeah, so what? But Mario, I thought today was the day we're gonna go cheaping. No, Luigi. Not today, and not in this thunderstorm. Okay? Now come on, Luigi. Go back to sleep. It's very early. But then, Mario, what are we supposed to do today? You can't get a moment of peace with a brother. I don't know, Luigi. There are lots of things we could do inside. We could play the Wii U, we could play the 3DS, we could ride go-karts inside. I don't know, Luigi. We'll figure something out. Now, right now, just let me sleep. Well, okay, Mario. But is it okay if I can play some Wii U now? Yeah, sure, Luigi. Do whatever you want. Yay! Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna play some Wii U. I'm going to go on the computer and search up funny videos. This is gonna be so fun. Hey! This is so cool! Look at their magical pinwheel, huh? Oh, they're so cute! Fine, go away. No one likes you anyway. What? Teletubbies? 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 Hello? Wake up, Teletubbies! Please? Where are you? I'm gonna go turn on the lights. Oh my God. No, don't tell me. Mario! Mario, wake up, wake up! Mario! Oh, Luigi, what the hell? What are you doing? Mario, it seems that we have faced a total blackout. Well, isn't that something? Yes, so? What's the big problem, Luigi? Well, now we can't do anything for sure. Yeah, we can. We can play the Wii. Oh, yeah, that's true. Now, calm down, Luigi. Calm down. There are certain things we can do. We can play board games. We can play puzzle games. We can do all those kind of games. We don't need electronics to entertain ourselves. We can use our minds to entertain ourselves. You're right, Mario. Fine. We'll play some games. Yeah! Ha ha ha! Okay. So, what's the first game we should play? I thought maybe tic-tac-toe. That's always a fun game. Yeah, tic-tac-toe. Right, it's settled. The first game we're gonna play is tic-tac-toe.
Did you guys say tic-tac-toe?
Ah, crap. Yes, Toad, we said tic-tac-toe. So, yeah. Why not? You can play with us.
Really? Oh, that's so cool, guys. You won't regret it. I love you. But tic-tac-toe is only a 2-player game.
Ah, but we can make a tournament.
Ooh, a tournament? That sounds exciting. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, let's go find a table and start the tournament of tic-tac-toe. Okay, does any one of you two have a dice?
Toad, what on earth do you need a dice for?
Well, to roll to see who goes first.
No, Toad. This is tic-tac-toe. You don't roll to see who goes first. Okay, Toad, it's you against me, alright? Round 1. Do you have your pencil ready?
Hell yeah!
Toad? That's a red pen.
Oh! How about this one?
No, Toad, that's a regular blue pen. We're looking for a pencil.
Ah, I get you. Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, then how about this one?
No, that's a pen! That's a pen! None of these are a pencil! That's a pen! Here, this is a pencil. This is a pencil, okay? There. My god.
Okay, geez, you don't need to be so angry. My god.
Okay, I'll start. There.
Okay, my turn. There. Did I do correct?
Yeah, sure, whatever. La la la. There's my circle. Oh, whoops, I drew it outside the box. There we go.
I win!
Wait. How do you win?
Hello?
Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Forget about tic-tac-toe. How about we play a new game?
Oh, I like games.
Yeah, whatever. This is a game I like to call one-word sentence. Basically, we have to make up a little story, and like a sentence, and we all have to say one word. Okay, I'll start. Okay, I say my. Okay, I get it. Little
Poop.
Okay. Had a
Poop.
but he
Pooped.
in a
Poop pile.
Yeah, that was great. Hey guys, how about we play a board game?
Ooh, I like games.
What do you think, Mario? Okay. Yay! Okay. Okay. 5 and 6. That makes 11. Alright. Where's my freaking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, excellent day. Let's see what this says. Yeah, what does the card say, Luigi?
Yeah, what does it say, Luigi?
The mayor is very impressed with your performance. Collect $1,000! Holy crap! Ooh, collecting some big bucks, aren't we, Luigi? Okay, that's one. There, 1,000. Here you go, Luigi. Thank you very much, Mario. Okay, Toad, it's your turn now.
6 and 2. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What building is that? Oscorp Laboratory. Oh, I'm so sorry, Toad. You have to pay me 500. Very sorry, but that's Monopoly, I guess. Oh my god, Toad. We didn't notice. You're bankrupt.
I hate this game! I hate it! I hate this game! I hate this game!
That's it! You're dead! You always ruin everything! Why do you always ruin everything? Do you ever think about other people? No, oh yeah, just blame it on the game, of course. Well, maybe you should play strategy better, Toad. You do not understand how to play this game. This is why we never invite you to play. This is just... And now, look at this mess. Just look at this mess. It's just... This is unrepairable. Why do I smell fresh air? What? Luigi? Can you explain to me why it's sunny outside? Yeah... About that, Mario. You knew it was sunny, didn't you? And you didn't care to tell us. Okay, Mario, I'll admit to the sunniness. But the blackout really did happen. And I'm not even sure when it's gonna come back on.
Hey guys! The TV's back on! And it looks like someone has been watching some Teletubbies.
Okay. Honestly, I didn't know what happened. Mario, you got to believe me. I don't know how that managed to get on. Please, Mario, please, you have to believe me. I even tried to turn on the light, but Mario.